The future of healthcare is shaping up in front of our eyes with advancements in digital healthcare technologies such as artificial intelligence, 3D printing, robotics, and nanotechnology. And you might be thinking, how will our healthcare industry look by 2040? We are entering a new phase in which machines will do everything. For the record, it is expected that the number of new curative medicines will increase in the upcoming years, and the widespread of illnesses will probably be prevented, treated, and cured using cell and gene therapies as well as vaccines. Apart from this, what else should we expect from the health sector by 2040? Virtual care, in home technology, and telehealth will be employed in diagnosis and treatment. This would mean that anyone from anywhere will be able to readily access home care. No more running to the doctor for little things. We've seen wearable trackers on athletes. These are excellent tools for self-discovery and taking control over our health. In the future, these types of trackers will be made specifically for patients. These tech-driven devices will truly put the patient at the center of care and will help the patient make better decisions by enabling home health monitoring systems and remote sharing of results with a doctor. Additionally, bone transplant will be a new concept. This would mean that if someone has a major fracture, they will be able to replace the broken bone with a 3D printed bone, and this will eliminate the need of body part amputation. Moreover, artificial organs will be developed. Nearly 20 people die every single day waiting for an organ transplant, but there just aren't enough healthy organs for everyone waiting to get a transplant. By 2040, there will be artificial organs which can be implanted into the body and can keep a patient alive for decades. As you know, cancer is one of the deadliest diseases, and people are trying their very best to find a cure for it. In the future, scientists will be able to make vaccines using new and better drugs to fight cancer, and doctors will develop better treatment plans for cancer patients by personalized medicines and smart lifestyle choices, which will help in treating a much larger portion of cancer patients compared to today. Will there be a device which will be able to detect infection in a person's body before they become serious? Within the next 10 years, medical chips will become a popular way to recognize a disease. If you get sick tomorrow, how would you know it's time to visit the hospital? You know it can be hard to tell the difference between cold and something more serious without the doctor running a bunch of tests. This is where these medical chips will come in. These microchips will run biochemical tests within our bodies, and if they find any traces of a disease, they will alert us to go to the hospital. This would result in more successful treatments and less mortality. But that's not all. Sometimes ambulances are not able to reach the accident spot on time, which affects the injured person and leads to death. In the future, there will be multicopters which will be able to reach the emergency spot in no time. According to the experts, there will be two types of multicopters. One would be multicopter drones, and the other one would be large multicopters. The drones will carry emergency supplies and will be able to reach the emergency spot in no time. The other type of multicopters will be large and will work just like ambulances. These copters will act as transport for emergency doctors to the accident spot. Furthermore, these large drones will also be able to carry patients to the hospital immediately. In comparison to our ambulances, multicopters will have faster reaction time, better access to rural regions, and will have quicker and stable rides. Thank you so much for watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these, and we will see you soon!